Welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as automation specialist at Okuma Europe. Today I'm excited to introduce a new solution that brings highest performance in a small footprint, the Okuma MS-320H. This horizontal 4-axis machining center is built for one clear purpose: fast and precise machining in a compact design. With its small footprint, the MS-320H is perfect for manufacturers who want to boost productivity without using more floor space. Ideal for modern production lines where every square meter counts. The MS-320H is a true high-performance machine. It offers high-speed spindle and rapid axis movements for shorter cycle times, plus an integrated gantry loader with a loading and unloading cycle below 6 seconds. This makes it perfect for mass production of small and medium-sized parts, like those used in automotive, semiconductor and electronics industry. On top of that, Okuma's thermo-friendly concept guarantees stable machine precision, even during long production runs or when temperature changes during the day. In short, the MS-320H provides speed, precision and automation all in a compact machine. It's a smart choice for manufacturers who want highest performance and future-ready technology. If you want to learn more about Okuma's outstanding solutions, contact us via info@okuma.eu.